Welcome back. Today is Saturday, November 22nd. Just got home from a lovely dinner with some old colleagues. And today is day 2 that I'm opening 2 of the Advent calendars. This will be a longer video eventually, but right now I'm doing 2 of them. So join me on my Advent calendar adventure. Tonight we are starting off with the cheese. This is number 2. I'm probably going to take a nibble, and then I will use the rest in the morning if I like this one. Ooh, this is a good one. I think this is a good one. All right, bruschetta. I know I'm going to like it. You know what? I already know I like this. We'll taste this tomorrow when I have my omelet. I get to see if yeah. I will taste this tomorrow, but I know it's really, really good. So this will go in my omelet tomorrow morning. And now, some after-dinner coffee. Let's find number 2. Number 2's down here. Last night was a caramel vanilla, and it was very tasty. Here's the moment of truth. Oh, it's a maple cinnamon. This looks good. All right, let's go make some. Well, it just so happens that I have a maple donut coffee syrup that I'm going to put in with the French vanilla creamer. So that's what we're going to try it with. All right, the moment of truth. It's good. I think I like last night's a little bit better. I'd say the cinnamon is a little light tasting. I think it's probably more maple forward than it is the cinnamon forward, but it's good. All right, so we're 2 for 2 on the ones that I like for the coffee. And I know that I like that cheese because I had it last year, and that'll go in tomorrow's breakfast. So until tomorrow. All right, it is the morning of November 23rd, which is a Sunday. And my husband has made me some breakfast. And inside these eggs is that bruschetta cheese. And we're going to take a taste. I have to have ketchup on my eggs. Here we go. Oh, that's really good. Yep, that cheese is a favorite. I knew it would be. All right, so later on today, I will have some of the coffee, and we'll do the cheese again later. Okay, it is now the evening of Sunday, the 23rd of November, and we're going to open the cheese first. I'm not going to eat the cheese tonight because I just had a salad with a little bit of Swiss cheese, and I'm kind of over cheese right now. But I kind of like what I did this morning when I had it with the omelet. So let's open number 3 and see what today brings, and then we'll do the coffee. All right, here's number 3. It looks like, oh, it's a Dom, which is, I believe, a type of Swiss cheese. And I had Swiss cheese tonight, so that will probably be incorporated into my breakfast at some point tomorrow. All right, and here is number 3. I'm kind of hoping for something like, I don't know, like whipped cream-ish or with vanilla in it. So I had to pre-whip it. It's got pink. I love the color pink. It is, oh, peppermint mocha. Not what I was expecting. Not really in the mood for peppermint mocha, but I will have some. Tonight I'm going to put in some half and half, some mocha syrup, and a little bit of vanilla, even though vanilla probably doesn't really go with it, but I don't have a lot of half and half left. All right, here is the moment of truth. Peppermint mocha. Oh, that's actually very good. Yeah, this could totally be dessert. I wasn't necessarily in the mood for it, but it's quite yummy. So that is night number 3 of the Advent calendars. All right, I'm ready for some nighttime coffee, and it's number 4. Oh, I see the word chocolate. Oh, dark chocolate. Yum. This should be good. I had dinner just not too long ago, and I'm really not in the mood for any cheese, but I'm going to open it up. Maybe I'll use it in my breakfast tomorrow. Here we go. It is Oh yeah, goat cheese. This is a hard no for me. So I'll be giving this to my husband and he can enjoy it. So yes, day 4, goat cheese. All right, tonight you get to see me without my wig. I'm hiding what's underneath here so you don't have to deal with looking at it because it's pretty gross. Anywho's, so tonight we are trying the dark chocolate coffee, day 4 of the advent calendar. And this is with, I put a little s'more syrup in it and some vanilla creamer. That's a good one. Day number 4 is thumbs up. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm going to open number 5 and see what we have. Kind of hoping for something desserty. Oh, it's a pink one. Oh, it's hazelnut. And Evan just bought me some hazelnut creamer. So that's what we're going to have. I just had Thanksgiving dinner, so I'm not going to have any cheese, but this is number 5. We'll save it for tomorrow morning. Oh, it's a matured Gouda, which I know I like. So yay for that. Okay, you're going to see 6 open before I actually drink number 5 because I haven't had the hazelnut yet. So I think I'm still going to have the hazelnut tonight. It's nice and cold here tonight. But I want to open number 6 to see what we get. Number 6 is... Oh, it's spiced eggnog. You know what, you guys? I think I'm going to drink this one first because this is my favorite. And it's cold here tonight. And this sounds lovely. So I'm going to have this tonight instead. And even though I just ate dinner and I'm not in the mood for cheese, I am going to open number 6 and add it to the collection. So let's see what we got. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think this is Red Leicester. Hang on. No, it's a Mimolette. Okay, I think it's going to be like a cheddar, but I'm not going to have it now. That's the one thing, is I'm not always in the mood for the cheese. It's different than wine and cheese. I think I like this match with the wines better. So I don't know if I would do this again next year. So, anyway, that's number 6. All right, you get to see me with the whole hoodie on tonight. This is spiked eggnog, my favorite every year. I haven't had real eggnog so far this year because it's got a lot of dairy in it, and I gotta be careful with dairy now these days. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I do have dairy in this, but just a little bit. But like drinking a whole eggnog, I love eggnog so much. My brother had some over at, he's staying here in Florida to see me for the holidays. And he had some in the refrigerator over at the Airbnb. And the first 3 ingredients, milk, cream, and high fructose corn syrup. So I was like, yeah, I can't do it. As much as I love eggnog, I found that the healthiest one is actually Trader Joe's. They make a light one. And a friend of mine is very picky about her eggnog and has not been able to find the brand that she used to buy. So I suggested the Trader Joe's ones to her, and she actually texted me from New Jersey and said it's the only other one that she likes outside of the brand that she can't find up north. So that was pretty cool. All right, well, you know what, you guys? I think I'm going to end this video here and then edit it and get it up. So you've got at least 6 days of the first 2 calendars that I'm doing. I think I've decided that the Aldi one that I'm going to do, the puzzle one, I'm going to do that on my dining room table. I am going to do it one day at a time, and I am doing it early because it's going to be a countdown to Hanukkah. So you will still see it, even though it's only a 12-day one. So if you're doing a countdown to Christmas with that one, you will see the finished product. So I'm going to do it that one that way. And I like to do it day by day. I do. Anyway, so that is that. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Let me take another sip. So good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next adventure. And I've got new adventures coming. So excited. I've got 2 planned. Still have to shoot them. They're not until next week that they'll come up, but very excited. So don't forget to do all the things. Watch all my videos to help me get monetized. All your viewers are fabulous, and I love you so much, and I always like new viewers or new subscribers. I just need that watch time. That watch time, for some reason, is a little hard, but I'm going to do it. So anyway, thank you so much, and I love you guys, and I will see you very soon.